Organizations are like houses. They have different rooms with different purposes. Imagine each room working in isolation, unaware of what other rooms do. This is what happens with functional silos. Departments like marketing, sales, and production operate independently. They have their own goals, processes, and communication channels. Silos often arise naturally as companies grow. Teams specialize, creating barriers. Different departments develop their own cultures and priorities. This lack of interaction hinders the organization's ability to function as a unified whole. Silos limit visibility and understanding. Teams may not see the bigger picture. They may not understand how their work impacts others. This lack of awareness breeds a we versus them mentality, hindering collaboration. Siloed thinking creates numerous challenges for organizations. Communication breakdowns are common. Information gets stuck within departments, leading to misunderstandings and errors. Decisions are delayed as teams struggle to gather input from different parts of the organization. Misaligned goals are another major problem. When departments work in isolation, their objectives may conflict. For instance, sales might prioritize closing deals quickly, while production focuses on maintaining product quality, potentially leading to tension and inefficiencies. Silos stifle innovation. When departments don't share knowledge and ideas, the organization loses out on valuable insights. Cross-functional collaboration is crucial for fostering creativity and developing well-rounded solutions. Imagine a software company launching a new product. Marketing creates a campaign without consulting development. The campaign promises features the product doesn't have. This disconnect leads to customer dissatisfaction and damages the company's reputation. In manufacturing, production might optimize for efficiency without considering customer feedback. This results in products that are cheap to make, but don't meet customer needs. The company loses market share as customers turn to competitors who offer more desirable products. These examples highlight the importance of breaking down silos. When departments work together, they can align their efforts, avoid costly mistakes, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Bridging the divide. Strategies for silo demolition. Breaking down silos requires a multifaceted approach. Cross-functional teams are essential. By bringing together individuals from different departments, organizations can foster communication, understanding, and shared ownership of goals. Technology can play a crucial role. Collaborative tools and technology implement enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems to integrate data from various departments, including manufacturing, inventory, and quality control. This fosters transparency and allows for better decision-making across the organization. Collaborative tools like project management software and communication platforms facilitate information sharing and transparency. Utilize real-time communication platforms like instant messaging and video conferencing to break down communication barriers between departments. This enables efficient collaboration and reduces delays in decision-making processes. Data sharing tools. Invest in cloud-based data sharing tools that allow departments to access and contribute to shared information repositories. This promotes transparency and eliminates information silos, facilitating a cohesive approach to quality control, inventory management, and other crucial functions. These tools help break down barriers and ensure everyone is on the same page. Leadership alignment is critical. Leaders must champion a culture of collaboration and provide incentives for cross-functional teamwork. Recognizing and rewarding collaborative efforts sends a clear message that siloed behavior is not acceptable. Reaping the rewards of collaboration. Breaking down silos yields significant benefits. Improved communication leads to faster decision-making, reduced errors, and increased efficiency. When everyone understands the bigger picture, they can work together more effectively. Collaboration fuels innovation. By sharing knowledge and perspectives, teams can generate more creative ideas and develop better solutions. This leads to improved products and services, giving the organization a competitive edge. A collaborative culture improves employee morale. When people feel connected to their colleagues and see the impact of their work, they are more engaged and productive. This creates a more positive and fulfilling work environment. Embracing a future without walls. In today's interconnected world, silos are a liability. Organizations that cling to outdated ways of working risk falling behind. Breaking down silos is not a one-time project, but an ongoing process of cultural change. It requires a commitment from everyone, from leadership to individual contributors. By embracing collaboration, transparency, and shared goals, organizations can unlock their true potential and thrive in the years to come. Let us tear down the walls that divide us and build a future where collaboration reigns supreme.